What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into PixAI. This is a platform built specifically for creating anime style images and videos. And we're going to take one original anime character through the complete workflow, from text prompt to finished artwork to image editing, and then finally animate everything into a cinematic video.
また新しい朝が来るのかな?
Let's jump in. Okay, to follow along, just head over to the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. PixAI is built around one complete workflow: generate, edit, animate. You're also going to get 10,000 free credits every day just by testing out the platform. Okay, I'm going to sign in at the very top. All right, today we're going to generate our image with the model Tsubaki.2. Then we're going to edit our creation with PixAI Edit Pro. And for the last step, we're going to turn this into an animated video with version 4.0 preview. Okay, on the left-hand side, let's come down to models. Now, one thing I really like is if you find a model that you like, you can save it, remix it, and reuse the prompt, and then make it your own. So for example, let's come over to this one here and like it. Now we have it liked. And at the very top, we can train our own LoRa models. Okay, I'm going to come over to generation on the left-hand side. Let's make a few generations. Okay, on the right-hand side, I'm going to go with ultra mode. So this is maximum quality and precision and better style adherence. Let's have a look at styles. Browse all. Now we don't have to pick a style, but there are a bunch to go through. Classic anime, lucid dreamy, chromatic pencil, art crayon. For this first one, I'm going to go no style. Then we have the Tsubaki .2 image model. Now every model is going to have their own styles and strengths. The main features here are multi-character, dynamic poses, lighting control, and prompt adherence. Next is LoRa, which are like add-on filters for your model. They give you specific characters, art styles, poses, or details, and this is layered on top of any base. There's also a beginner guide to LoRa's as well. Let's go with a 3:5 aspect ratio, large resolution, a batch of 4 images. Okay, let's come over to the top, and I'm gonna pop in my prompt. Now feel free to pause the video. I'm also going to put all prompts in the description below. Okay, let's click on generate. Now let's have a look at these generations. This is definitely a very unique look, and all 4 of them are very similar. Okay, now I've got a totally different prompt. I want to go with a clean, minimal anime illustration of a young woman recording music in a simple studio setup. And this time I'm going to go with a classic anime style. Let's hit apply and generate. Let's have a look at this batch. First one, second one, third, and fourth. I love these ones as well. Definitely have that classic anime style. Okay, let's go with a much more simple prompt now. I'm gonna go with a beautiful woman sitting on a building overlooking a city with pink purple sunset. Let's pick a different style. Let's have a look at art crayon. Yeah, this one looks pretty cool. We got a few samples on the right-hand side. Come over to apply style and generate. First one, second, third, and fourth. Love these ones as well. Okay, I'm gonna go with the same prompt, but no style this time. Let's generate. Okay, here's that same prompt, but no style selected. These look awesome. I think this is my favorite batch so far. I like this first one a lot. I'm gonna come over to this generation on the far right and click on edit. Now here's that PixAI Edit Pro version 1 model I was talking about earlier. This is for pro level editing with accurate text rendering. It's best for complex prompts and detailed outputs. Let's select, and here's what I wanna do. Change the city backdrop so it's the ocean. Let's generate. Okay, there we go. We've got the ocean now in the background. Everything else is the exact same. So here's the before, and then here's the after. Okay, I'm gonna take things up a notch with PixAI Edit Pro. Okay, here's a generation that I just made. I think it looks really cool, kind of a cyberpunk look. Let's come down to edit. I wanna turn this image into a movie poster. Okay, so I've got my prompt. Now it is super long, so I'll have this prompt in the description below. Let's generate. Okay, I'm going to edit that exact same image, but I'm going to go with a different art style. This time, I want to simulate a live streamer screenshot mockup, going with a realistic Instagram live screenshot on a smartphone screen, and the prompt goes on. But once again, I'll have this in the description below. Let's generate. Okay, here's our movie poster. This actually turned out incredible. I love this. And then here's that Instagram live concept. Looks just about exact to the real thing, as if we're viewing this on a phone. All the spelling looks good. We've got the animations in the bottom right. Very impressed. Now it is time to animate some of our images with version 4.0. This is PixAI's latest anime image to video model. This is going to read my image as a semantic reference, so it knows who the character is, not just what the first frame looks like. Okay, let's hover our mouse over this image and click on Animate. Okay, we've got our model selected, version 4.0 preview. Here's my prompt. Bring the scene to life. Subtle pan around the character as she's overlooking the city. Slow pan backwards. Let's submit. Alright, there we go. This actually followed my direction to a T. Very impressed with the output. Looks like we even have the Empire State Building in the far distance. Okay, let's animate a few more videos. Bring her to life. Subtle camera pan backwards. Calm music, vibe. Okay, let's do one more. Alright, there we go. There's PixAI. Now the video generations in particular turned out excellent. The version 4.0 preview model did an incredible job bringing our characters to life. I can definitely see why PixAI has become such a popular platform for anime creators. Now the biggest takeaway for me is that everything happens in one workflow. You generate your character with Tsubaki.2, refine and edit your creations naturally with natural language, and then bringing everything to life with image to video version 4.0 preview. Now throughout the entire process, my characters stayed remarkably consistent with all my workflows, which is exactly what you want when you're building an original character or even a full anime series. Also, if you like what you see, be sure to follow PixAI using their official X account. They also have an official Discord channel as well, which I'll go ahead and leave in the description below. So whether you're creating original characters, concept art, short animations, PixAI is definitely worth checking out. If you want to give PixAI a try for yourself, check out the link in the description and pinned comment below. You're also going to get 10,000 free credits every day just by signing in and creating. Now I'm really curious what kind of anime characters you come up with. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.